In this video, learn how to use a workflow in Protégé to find similar law beyond a single document, helping you uncover broader authority, strengthen your arguments, and save valuable research time. Let's say you have prepared a first draft of a brief. To ensure you have strong, well-supported legal arguments, you want to quickly identify additional authority with similar reasoning, aligned fact patterns, and consistent legal principles. Instead of starting a new search, you can use the workflow experience in Protégé to expand your research intelligently and efficiently. Access Protégé and select Workflows. Scroll through the litigation workflows or search to find the workflow entitled Find Similar Law Outside the Single Document. Upload the first draft of your brief. When you click Submit, Protégé analyzes the substance of the document, not just the key words, but the legal concepts, procedural posture, and factual context, and retrieves similar documents. Protégé surfaces laws and cases that reflect similar reasoning or legal standards. Results are grounded in authoritative content from Lexis+, so you can trust the relevance and quality. From the results list, you can click the links to view the full text of the cited authority, shepherd-ize the documents, and continue expanding your research, building a stronger, more comprehensive foundation for your arguments. This workflow helps you discover overlooked authority, strengthen support for nuanced legal arguments, and reduce time spent crafting complex search strings. In just a few clicks, the Protégé workflow transforms one document into a broader research pathway, expanding your understanding of the legal landscape and building stronger arguments using private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.